After 2 years of delay, Adani has finally received clearances for the controversial Australian coal mine. Earlier today, our researcher Mubina Kapasi caught up with CEO of the Adani Australia Mining firm, Lucas Dow, to understand what caused the delay and how the new capacity would benefit the firm.
So we've just cleared the final approval, as you mentioned, which was the groundwater dependent ecosystems management plan. So it was one of the pending environmental management plans. We've obviously now cleared that hurdle. That had been subject to 2 years of review and scientific scrutiny. So we're obviously, now very glad to have passed that, and now we're moving towards being able to commence construction. We've obviously got a number of steps that we're now undertaking in the next few days, and then we'll be starting physical activity on the mine site.
Yes, while you've got the government's approval, is there a possibility that environmentalists or other activists can still take this case forward to the courts or anything, or is that door as well now shut permanently?
No, so obviously we've been very rigorous in our activities, in our planning and our preparation of our environmental approvals. So we're very well prepared in the event that there are legal challenges. I must point out that we've been subject to legal challenges before, and we've prevailed in every one of those cases. So we're obviously very confident of being able to repel any potential legal challenges that may occur.
Now let's talk about what is the first step that you're going to do. You mentioned in your first answer that yes, there is some groundwork that has to be done. So how soon would you be able to actually commence mining operations at the Carmichael coal mine then?
So we've been working in preparation for this decision, and obviously we hadn't wanted to get ahead of ourselves. So there's now a few days for us to be able to complete the necessary safety checks, ensure that meeting all environmental requirements. So that work will occur over the next few days, and then we'll be in a position of starting physical construction. We've already got equipment on site. So as I said, once we've ensured that we've got our safety protocols in place and that everyone's been inducted and so forth, we'll be in a position to start construction. So that will occur within the next few weeks.
What sort of an investment will you have to put in initially? I mean, I'm just talking about during the gestation period. I know you've already invested a whole lot in the last couple of years, to get the R&D bit done of this coal mine. But now to just kickstart operations, to get things going, what sort of an investment will you have to put in initially?
So we've got a 2-year construction period. So essentially we'll be seeing coal exported within a 2-year period. And that will come at a cost of just under $2 billion Australian, which includes a 200-kilometre rail connection, in addition to the development of the 10 million tonne per annum mine.
Okay. Lucas, I think from what I understand, you would be able to produce 8 to 10 million tonnes of thermal coal a year, because it's, I think, ready to start construction, in the next couple of days. Is this going to be in the first year of operations? What's going to be the total coal that you would be able to extract?
Yes, so we've coincided and aligned the rail construction with the mining development. So essentially when the rail is ready for us to be able to start railing coal, we'll be running at a 10 million tonne per annum average. So essentially that ramp-up period will occur during construction, and then from the moment that rail is available within 2 years, we'll then be running at a 10 million tonne per annum capacity.
Okay, and what's the total capacity? I mean, what's the total potential of the Carmichael coal mine, as and when, of course, you will keep amping up capacity as well? Like you said, 10 million tonnes right now, but I'm sure it'll be higher, right, going forward?
That's right. So we've had plans to be able to take that through to 27.5 million tonnes, and we're permitted to go up to 60 million tonnes per annum.